bowling.
Today taking you for two city adventure. One is indoor bowling and another is retail therapy in Louis Vuitton. We are not buying, just browsing.
Don't think I can play. It's too heavy. I can try one.
So we came to the Supreme Bowl in Mid Valley Mega Mall. It's a huge big one inside and this is our first time, so I am just looking to what's there. They have pool table on the side to play also. I don't know if it is paid or just for waiting time you can play. And when we buy the game, the drinks and popcorn comes free with it, and I think you can refill the drinks too. For us, each game was 25 ringgit and each game has 8 or 10 times you can play. When you were there, you would like to join it. It's so much fun. Even I was tempted to try it once. I think I did twice and both the time I missed. Yes. And the pro player also was missing the target, so I think it is okay for me. The ambience was quite chill, nicely lit, very cool, you can sit down, relax. The drinks were there. I tried the drinks a bit. The popcorn, you can have it or not have it, it's okay. And I like the environment, the sofa, the waiting area sofas are really nice. It's a comfy place to be there. If you have never been to, try it once. I think you will like it. So now next I am going to Louis Vuitton's showroom just to explore. All the time I wanted to, but I never get a partner to go with me, but this time I get my elder son to come with me. For a while? How long?
Wait for available next 6%.
Next?
Next 6% stuff available.
Okay. I just want to go for browsing, so still need someone to attend, right? Alright, no problem. I will just wait. How long? Of course, it was a very beautiful showroom and the stuff was very nice and gentle. I am looking for men's wallet. Oh. No, this one, small one. Yeah.
So this one will be the standard size. Maybe you can have a look first.
Only this color?
We do have few more colors. If you want in classic one, we have in brown also.
Okay, alright.
But another two also have. So these
Alright.
two, one more black color.
So how much are these? Different prices?
Different prices. This one will be 2,150. You can see the compartment first. We do have three compartments.
This one and
Do he use coin?
yeah, sometimes maybe.
Because we do have one in coin, but only 2 designs.
This is not for the coins one.
This one cannot put coin.
Cannot put coin. So your range started from 2000, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, alright.
Yeah. This one is come with coin.
Oh, with a chain.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's
Okay.
if she using coin,
नहीं वो बोलছে ওর কাছে সিম্পল আছে উইদাউট এনি লোগো আমি নিচ্ছি আমি জাস্ট দেখছি
plain only plain actually.
This is really soft leather. This is calf skin must be, yeah?
Yeah,
Calf skin, yeah, calf leather. But not all Louis Vuitton product is leather.
Yeah. Or if
Some
you
are
choose something
canvas.
like this one, the green will be canvas outside, inside will be leather. Just half.
For ladies wallet, ladies bag also same, like
Same,
on the
yes.
canvas
If you-
outside.
Yeah, if you
If
see
the
something
print,
with this print, then it will
that
be
is canvas.
Yes.
But this print here, it's on leather.
Yes. These are all leather.
This is really soft and nice.
Yes, really soft.
Tell your customers
Of
that which
course.
is leather and which is not. Otherwise,
Yes, of course. We will tell client what is the material.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. So as we are already here, why not to go and have a look what else is inside the showroom. They have perfumes too, but I think I prefer mostly the designated brand for the perfume. It will be better. Some crockeries, some beautiful Louis Vuitton boxes. The bags are nice, huh? The kids are really unique. They are so unbothered about the brand. It's a Louis Vuitton showroom, but still they're busy on their world. They don't mind how valuable this brand is and how coveted those products. It's okay for them. Sunglass is sunglass, bags are for bags. But yeah, they value quality. Now we are going for lunch. After that, we'll be heading home soon. And see you on to the next one. I will end today's video here. Thank you. Chili peri ni baba. Bye for now then, and see you on to the next one. Take care.